So this video is all about how we can change HTTP status code in Spring Boot. So for that we have uh, multiple type of response HTTP status. For example, for OK, we'll use 200 and mostly like for example when in previous video we uh, try to send the data and produce the data. We'll get this status code as 200 okay as a standard response. So there are more than 200 or okay. Then we can have 201 created and accepted 202, and there are multiple. For example, we have a 400 bad request. It happens when the backend is expecting something else, and we are sending something else. Okay, so that's when 200 or bad request status uh, error shows up, and these are all other like 404 not found when the data is not found. So 404 is shown, and there are multiple other type of status code. So let's try how we can create a custom status code. For that, you need to change here. We'll say here request body, and here inside request body we'll tell the date type. Okay, here we'll say response entity. Okay, so here also request body, not request body. I think it's request entity, and here response entity. In response entity, we'll tell the data type, which is details, and give an object name. Let's say response new response entity. Here, first we'll set the data. So data is detail, comma. Now we have to tell the HTTP status. HTTP says we can do anything like 200 created, accepted, bad gateway. Let's say uh, let's say okay. Let's say bad request only, or bad okay, bad request only. Okay. So now in return also we need to use request or use response. Okay, return response. I think that's it. Mm, I think here also we need to type response entity, right? So I think that's fine. Let's try to run our program or send the request. So still okay. Send it again. Okay, we are getting the data, but we have customized our HTTP status. So status code is 404 bad request. So that's how we can use or customize the status code, HTTP status code by using response entity.